Now it's time for Gardening and Landscaping Tip of the Week with Precure Nursery and Garden Center.
Well, we've made it out of summer. We're entering into fall and winter. Fall and winter are the best times, or the good times, to help get that spring plan going for your landscape. If you've got some shrubs that have just been overgrown and you need to replace them, we can help you out with that. If you've got a new construction, you look out your dining room window and all you see are your neighbor's roofs, we can help you with that as well. We can help you create some green screens, put in some large trees, and help shield those roofs. Perhaps you might need some more entertaining area. We can help you with the flagstone patios, paver patios, anything you might need to enhance that outdoor area for you. Just give us a call and we'll put together a plan to help with that spring install.
Hi, I'm Dan with Precure Nursery and Garden Center. We are proud to be the garden expert for KFOR TV. For more information, go to kfor.com/Precure.